charged up the battery and I've come out again to try manual mode, high rates and inverted flying if I can. Here comes the dog unfortunately, but anyway we'll get up and see what we can do. The inverted needs to be up above 8 meters, so maybe that was our problem the other day. So we'll try high and low rates. So that's high rates, got a bit more control. Tighter turns. Back to low rates. Let's try manual mode now. So that is manual. It's drifting. Lady with a dog has come to annoy me. Let's go up a bit higher and we'll try inverted mode. Okay. There we're inverted now. Wow. That's cool. Oh wow, that looks weird. Oh, I need to go up a bit, don't we? Wow. That looks weird. But it's working. Oh dear. That's cool. Alright, we'll flip it back. Another push of the and we're back upright again. That is cool. Alright, I'll try a bit of manual mode. It's still hovering there. And it still feels pretty normal. Go a lot faster. Go into GPS mode again. How cool is this? Okay, we're in high rates now. Let's fly around in high rates. This is awesome. Stay away from those tree branches. Getting more used to this now. This is cool. Do a bit of distance flying. That'll be 50 metres away, I reckon. Coming straight back now. This is awesome. Brilliant little helicopter. Now let's go up and do another inverted, just for the fun of it. Oh no, it doesn't want to do it. Maybe you have to be in low rates. No, it doesn't. Doesn't want to do it now. Oh well. Only does it when it feels like it, maybe. Or maybe we need a... I don't know, we've got 21 satellites, so should have a GPS lock. Oh well, we'll just go flying around. I like high rates better. Battery's getting low. It's going to come back soon. Just keep going flat out. That might be meeting the geofence. It does have a limit in some, that'll just stop there somewhere. Yeah, look at that, it just stops. Well, I have to read the manual about that. This is cool, this is just so much fun flying it around. Tricks are okay, but I just like hooting all around. There we go, that is coming back, low battery return to home now. Hear the As long as you don't land on my bag, that'll be good. Might be close. Oh no, there we go. Awesome. It's a cool little helicopter. I really like it. Just wish I had more batteries.